Meanwhile, it's a high-stakes moment for Asia's third-largest economy as the business community watches and waits. The Trump administration has issued a public notice imposing additional 25% tariffs on imports of Indian goods to the United States. The additional tariff will come into effect from today. The notice for 25% additional tariff was issued by the Department of Homeland Security through U.S. Customs and Border Protection. According to the notice, President Donald Trump had signed an executive order 14329 on August 6 for the same. Trump had earlier announced an additional 25% tariff on goods coming in from India as penalty for New Delhi's continued buying of Russian oil, which he said is funding Moscow's war in Ukraine. But even as the countdown begins, a strong message from Prime Minister Modi in Ahmedabad was given on Monday. He reiterated that the government was firm on not compromising with the interests of small entrepreneurs, cattle rearers and farmers regardless of pressure. But with the deadline fast approaching, the question remains, will Trump follow through? And the big question is, how much of a tariff war will India be responding to?
मैं अहमदाबाद की इस धरती से अपने लघु उद्यमियों से कहूंगा, मेरे छोटे छोटे दुकानदार भाई बहनों से कहूंगा, मेरे किसान भाइयों से कहूंगा, मेरे पशुपालक भाई बहन से कहूंगा, और मैं गांधी की धरती पे से बोल रहा हूं, मेरे देश के लघु उद्यमी हो, किसान हो, पशुपालक हो, हर किसी के लिए मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है।
Firstly, we have a huge border with China, which makes logistics easy for us. So now, number one, India is going to diversify its exports to other countries, be it UK, be it other European countries, plus we are in the process of tie-ups with other countries. And we'll be doing further business, much more business with Russia and China. RIC, Russia, India, China, this is going to be a new, much more stronger business bloc. And as far as US is concerned, my organization, Akashindal.in, sincerely feels there's no need for us to retaliate because US, these tariffs are negatively impacting US already. See, because of these tariffs, inflation has already increased in US, which is bad for US own citizens. Growth, GDP growth has already been compromised in US because of these tariffs. US is not able to reduce rates of interest because of these tariffs. And the biggest negative thing, the biggest debacle US has faced is joblessness, unemployment has increased because of these tariffs. See, whom is US deploying the tariffs on? They are applying tariffs on their own importers. So in the process, things which American citizens were using, they are becoming costlier. So inflation has increased for US citizens, which is the worst thing which could have happened for US, because US for the past 3 to 4 years, they have been fighting inflation throughout. One is those things which the consumers were consuming. Second is those things which the industrialists in US were using as raw material. Now that raw material has become costlier, so industrial activity would slow down in US. So US itself is the loser as far as tariffs is concerned. And on what basis have US applied tariffs? If they are saying that we are buying crude from Russia, US itself has been doing lots and lots business with Russia. Europe has been purchasing a lot of gas from Russia. China has been purchasing a lot of crude from Russia. And Russians are our old friends. Our friendship with Russia dates to decades. We have been doing a lot of business with them. So I don't know why the US is feeling problem.